Okay, so hopefully this makes a little bit more sense. Um, so I've got this top assembly here, parented to this for it's just constrained by the location in X, and I wanted to show from a top view. So this movement from here to here, that's 2.5 inches moved in. And if I make everything straight, even though this piece is straight, there's no way for me to get that to fit. Um, if I left it, if I left this piece right where it is, turn off that damn track. Notice how with everything straight, it's going to interfere. I mean, I could make these two pieces wider, but they'd be a lot wider than we see in the reference images. Um, and I can shift this piece over a little bit, but I don't have a ton of room to work with on that side. So I've got a conundrum on what to do with this. I was hoping that makes a little bit more sense. Because when I shift it over, everything lines up. But I do agree with Spiky. It when it points inwards like that, you're basically pushing these two pieces towards the center. You're going to pinch the object and these pieces since you're angled in. Now it's only 2.5 inches, but I'm not quite sure what to do with this, to be quite honest. Like how to make this section work without things interfering. So hopefully that makes sense.